Here you're asked to find the value of x. So A and B are parallel lines. Between them, just these are the given. So the first thing you have to remember to solve this one, imaginary auxiliary lines parallel to A and B. You have to create imaginary auxiliary line parallel to A and B. So it will be easy it will be easy to solve it. So the first thing what you are going to do, just you have to create imaginary line. Assume this one is a line which is imaginary line and it is parallel to both of them. So this originally, you see this one, it is given is 2x plus 80. So this line is dividing this into parts. So that means if you divide this line into just like this, that means this angle will be 60 degree and this angle will be the same with this one, x plus 50 degree, right? So from this relation, this to x plus 80, the central angle will be the sum of x plus 50 plus 60 degree. So that means to x plus 80 is equal to this one, x plus 50 plus 60 degree, right? 60 degree. So that means to x minus x is equal to 110 minus 80. So x will be 30 degree. So the answer for this one is just 30 degree. You have to solve it by using this problem. For the second example also, you have to use the same principle. You have to apply, just draw an imaginary auxiliary line, just like this. This line is parallel to both of them, the A and to the B. So that means it is dividing the central angle 70 into two parts. So based on the alternate interior angle principle, if this one is x plus 10, that means this one is also x plus 10. And if this one is x plus 20, that means this one is also x plus 20. So 70 degree is equal to x plus 20 plus x plus 10. Right, so 70 equals to this one and this one to x. This one and this one, it will be just 30. Then after that, 2x is equal to 70 minus 30. 2x is equal to 40 degrees. X is equal to 20 degrees.